स्किप ना करो, हर नई वीडियो आप लोगों के साथ हमारा पहुंच जाएगी। ओके, करना, शेयर करना। Most radiso energy level diagrams show okay. Energy the electron the quantized arbitrary hydrogen line emission spectrum to the Vilishi Bohr model so spectrum of the hydrogen atom spectra level diagram the broke levels to the hydrogen atom limitation the Bohr theory say we are the excitation ionization energy excitation energy to excitation potential to ionization energy ionization potential to the Vilishi inertial transition check on the characteristic of X-ray continuous X-ray to X-ray production with the X-ray property series application the X-ray scientific the industrial the medical the scanners the lasers spontaneously inversion the laser के कम ज़्यादा इस्तेमाल की ज़्यादा इन्हें बस यूज़ कीजिए लेज़र को लो डाउश नहीं था बाद ज़्यादा लॉ ऑफ द मॉडर्न फिजिक्स कम आवे लेना लॉ ऑफ मॉडर्न फिजिक्स इसी वजह से law of modern physics is the chapter there. Law of modern physics is the prima preference show special theory of relativity, consequence in the special theory of relativity, simultaneity, equivalence between mass of contraction, dilation, application the time dilation and length contraction the free space, like body radiations, Planck quantum theory, photoelectric effects of the effect of intensity of incident radiation, the photoelectric experimental results show photon theory, the photoelectric effect of application to the photoelectric cell or solar cell. Come an effect of the vision. We have pair production, pair inhalation. We have the wave nature of particles of the vision. We have division the German experiment. We have the wave particle duality, electronic microscope show or certainty principle. The law of modern physics, atom number, atomic spectra. So, here number nuclear physics. So, what is the nuclear physics of the vision? Nuclear physics so atomic nucleus means the मतलब वो nuclear particles atomic nucleus है the particle in which the atomic nucleus come okay atomic nucleus nuclear physics what is the nuclear physics study the nucleus of atom and its properties discuss its composition nuclear physics the study of nucleus of atom study of the nucleus of atom and its composition is called nuclear physics study the nucleus of atom or composition discuss nuclear physics study of the nucleus of atom and its composition is called nuclear physics study the nucleus the atom okay atom become then the nucleus or the composition means quality quantity the nuclear physics composition nucleus thing the atom becomes central part part item so nucleus composed of the proton so nucleus composed of the proton or neutron number of protons nucleus atomic number neutron neutron number pajama proton neutron number mass number for example magnesium there are 12 proton 12 neutron the atomic number at which mass number 24 carbon 6 atomic number that will mass number the carbon isotopes atom of those element the atom has element of the same element atom becomes same element having same number of proton atom has the same element मतलब the group na the same or same number of proton but different nucleus but different the neutron number we see different mass number मतलब they don't called isotopes of the each other for example chlorine को 35 पे खपल सही mass number वो कल 36 जो mass number के चेंज लाए 37 की mass number this is called isotopes mass spectrography से भी device which can differentiate how device से हम तो differentiate ही पर की isotopes के यो बनना ताकि तुम इसका mass spectrography या also in determining the mass of atom mass the atom mass होना दे that will the spectrography करते now at mass spectrography there is so ionization chamber where atom are ionized velocity selector where the charge gain kinetic energy magnetic field where the charge are given circular motion The kinetic energy of the charge is given is 1 over 2 mv square q divided by qv. V square 2 qv divided by m. V square and 2 qv divided by m. V is equal to 2 qv divided by m. Due to magnetic field, what is the charge experiences centripetal force? Due to so magnetic field, देखिए magnetic से नहीं magnetic field, what is the charge experience की so मकसूद है the centripetal force. तो mv square divided by r qb b. mv divided by r qb. No v no r qb or m. No comparing 1 and 2. So r qb m 2 qb m. No r qb divided by m 2 square. That will check out where you are and this is called some mass spectrography. 1 atom soon 1.99 multiplied into power minus 23 gram per 1 atom was mass defect. What is the mass defect? Mass spectrography nuclear mass is it is known that kilogram mole of any element should contain Avogadro's number of atoms. 6.023 multiplied into power 23 equal 26 atoms kilojoule per mole. Thus the mass of an atom or a nucleus of the order of 10 minus 27 kg. In a sense, a small number, therefore atomic and nuclear masses are expressed in terms of mass scale. The unified mass scale is scale based on assigning mass exactly 10 raised to mass of atom of carbon 12. On this scale, one mass unit called the atomic mass, when atomic mass unit is equal to 1 over 12 of so 1 over 12 of the mass of carbon atom. No carbon is a 6 and Felicity mass number. Then all the other masses are then measured in this unit by comparing the relation of atomic mass unit are used to kilogram is pound is part. The mass of the atom 36.03 carbon 12 kg. Dumno payogi atomic dumno padi kisono measure mole padi ke Avogadro number of particles padi dumno present mass of one atom of carbon 12 बराबर पे Avogadro number divided को jadi ना सजो आप राशि dumno padi one atom से mass. No, if it's open, the mass nuclear mass is nuclear mass. The mass defect is binding energy. Mass defect or binding energy. The amount of mass chikam dekana. Come amount of mass you come de of the nucleus. The amount of mass of a nucleus leads in the sum of the sum of masses of the so-called recruitment of proton and neutron is called the mass defect. Nucleus come amount of mass come amount of mass. Jagada your nucleus the amount of mass of a nucleus leads in the so amount of mass your nucleus kana jagada leads in cheese the sum of the leads in the nucleus the amount of mass amount of mass jagada your nucleus leads in the sum of the sum of masses na the nur masses na to constitute mean the proton and the neutron because is called mass defect या binding energy value. So say the sum of the mass the amount of mass of a nucleus leads in the sum of all the masses in the constituent of proton and neutron is called so mass defect. Delta M ZMP plus NOM. Delta M is the mass defect. The Z is mass of the number of proton the mass of the proton the number of neutron the mass of the neutron the number of mass of the nucleus. Mass defect is due to the mass conversion to the binding energy that keeps the nucleus tied together inside the nucleus. Kalau jadi the binding energy or what is binding energy ki the nucleus yobal taratuli. Jadi binding energy binding energy har energy da cuma kam jadi use kori. What is strong nuclear force is force is the strong force is the attractive that keeps proton and proton neutron. That will yobal sarayho close together inside the nucleus. और न्यूक्लियस के धन अलग के तम इसका स्ट्रांग न्यूक्लियर फोर्स और न्यूक्लियस के धन मौजूद भी द प्रोटॉन न्यूट्रॉन इज अटैक टू ईच अदर दैट वाला से कि रायो देखी द तम इसका स्ट्रांग न्यूक्लियर फोर्स विद द फोर्स ओवरकम द कूलम एक रिपल्सिव फोर्स बिटवीन द प्रोटॉन and the कूलम फोर्स mun da yo repulsive force the proton and the already repulsive force you positive will say they repel to each other they attract to each other that वाला कूलम फोर्स है कूलम फोर्स जी दरमियान में मौजूद है the proton this is short range for open 22 parameter no E no delta MC square mass defect show binding energy तो पढ़े की तरमियान दसला binding energy दा दी जब वाले यो बता proton ने देखली गना positive होगी determine this is used by the binding energy. The binding energy is packing friction. So we packing friction gives the stability of the nucleus is called packing friction. Packing friction also is the stability work is the nucleus का. And this is called packing friction. वही हुआ. तो packing friction or B dot E हुआ binding energy हुआ और A पर जो atomic mass. So binding energy मुला वाला पे atomic mass से divide कर दिया is called packing friction ना. Radioactivity होता है. What is the radioactivity? Okay, example ले बाकी. The mass of nucleus बहन में atomic number 235 mass number. The mass of proton दोनों दे and neutron दोनों दे. Calculate the binding energy per nucleus of so nucleus. दूसरा जी radioactivity. The spontaneously emission choose the some atomic particle या the gamma rays by the unequal atoms their sticky nuclei decay to atom is stable. इधर के तुम is called radioactivity. Spontaneously emission show of the some subatomic particle या the gamma rays. जो spontaneously emission की the subatomic particle या the gamma rays. जब की अगर unstable atom दे their nuclei decay to attain की so stability. इधर के तुम is called radioactivity. Radioactivity से तो की the spontaneously emission of subatomic particle or gamma rays. The spontaneously emission chooses the subatomic particle या the gamma rays to unstable atom दे करना कि अगर से किया their nuclei decay तलोशी और to stable अगर atom होंगे से को पाई बतू मानी stable को the process is called radioactivity वाली की. Okay, the spontaneously emission also are subatomic particle or gamma rays to the unstable particle to attain the nuclei or due to attain the stability of the atom is called radioactivity. Your atom agar beltartiib proto atom radioactivity work the singa the spontaneously emission choosho the subatomic particle या the gamma rays अगर सोचो को अगर unstable atom हो अगर nuclei work or attain the stability के तुम radioactivity issue और the element which passes this property is called radioactivity element और हर element चाहे pass की so property इधर के तभी हम इसका radioactive element issue property pass की no alpha decay दा alpha particle ले beta decay दा emit की इधर gamma दा दार्सिदी दा gamma decay दा दादरी वाला पता किसी की radioactivity दादरी वाला particle ये तो मैं सुबह issue गे alpha emission वो issue अगर alpha emission की यूज़ कर बकी दा वाले हुआ इसी दा alpha particle consists of two proton and two neutron. Alpha particle कौन से consists of two proton और two neutron. These are positively charged helium nuclei. Now an alpha particle is emitted by very large unstable nucleus alpha radiation. It is easily stopped by the cardboard or thin metal. Has arranged in air of no more than few centimeters. Ionized air molecules much more strongly than the other two types. The three forms of radiation with different penetration power. The alpha particles soon proton and neutron consist of दो proton हाँ दो proton और दो neutron. Alpha. Beta particles the beta particle consists of the electron each emits with the nucleus now with too many neutron degeneration. A neutron is such nucleus suddenly and unexpectedly changed to proton. In this process, electron is created instantly emitted from the nucleus beta particle. Stupid also the 5-10 nanometer of metal. No has arranged in air of about 1 meter. No ionized air molecule least strongly than alpha particles. Where are the gamma radiations? Gamma radiation consists of the high energy proton source. A proton is a packet of electromagnetic waves which a gamma proton emits from a nucleus now with surplus energy after it must emit alpha or beta particle gamma radiations. To stop it only by several centimeters of lead has infinite range in air ionized air molecule very quickly. Alpha emission was the radioactivity key. Whenever an atom the atomic number the mass number 0 for example. This is generated by alpha emission. Its atomic number reduces by 2 and the mass number reduces 4 units. And the disintegration the reaction is right and S. And the X is the atomic number and mass number. Z minus 2 atomic number minus 2 and और बताना मास नंबर माइनस कीजिए। तो +2 हीलियम। भाई चैनल को लाइक करो, सब्सक्राइब करो, शेयर करो, बेल आइकन को दबाओ। थैंक यू।